So when I first had the idea to start a laundromat here in our town, I thought I do not just want the typical laundromat. Man, it would be so cool if they would just have washers, dryers. That way when you get finished with your washing, you just literally put your clothes up in the dryer. I said I wanted a big, huge open floor plan. I do not want any aisles. I want to be able to offer quarters if they need some.
You don't see this at laundromats. The machines, the layout, the design, the amenities that she offers. And when you walk in, you're like, am I in a boutique? I'm not in a laundromat. I'm actually in a salon.
I was very fortunate. I came across my distributor. We just had an instant bond. It was kind of crazy.
We actually just clicked. We know what the other person's thinking and we get along. So I've actually got a friend, a family member working with Jess.
I am so glad that I went with Click. 22 minutes and your laundry will be washed. And I'll tell you what, it's gonna be the best wash you've ever had. They'll leave and they'll say, hey Jess, by the way, it was 22 minutes and the clothes smell amazing and you were right, I will be back. Going with Speed Queen, never once have I looked back on my decision. It was a no-brainer.
Speed Queen is the prominent brand worldwide. Customers, they know that when they put their clothes in the machine, it's gonna come out perfectly.
The old school bookkeeping, that's yesterday's technology. It really simplifies it. It shows you the usage of each machine. You can either download the app, takes 2 minutes, and you know what? It'll even text you 2 minutes before your laundry's ready. And I have this one particular customer, and he said, I'm on my app, sitting on my couch watching the game, and as soon as I see that 100-pounder is available, he's like, I am gone. So that's one advantage that you have using the app is no matter where you are, you can look up Jess's and say, right now's a good time to go. So the app, customers love it, people from all ages. And we have a wash, dry, fold business. When you go to package the laundry, what I want it to look like is like you're giving them a present. Just this perfect little bundle of clothes that they are just so happy to receive back.
Honestly, it's Jessica and her staff. They get to know each individual customer. They care about their customers. That's why Jess is very successful.
And it's good morning, and everyone's so happy to be here. I actually have one customer, she drives 40 minutes to me.
She's never been in this business at all. And I've actually brought other potential investors to meet with Jess, and that way they can kind of learn from her.
You know, never in a million years did I think that, you know, in less than a year I would be expanding, but here we are and we're doing it, and I'm just so excited. If the worst issue that I have in this business is running out of room, I can figure that one out.
There's no limits with the laundry business whatsoever. She knows what she wants, and she's gonna do whatever it takes, and the word no does not exist in her vocabulary.
I have been inducted to being a laundry nerd. That's something that I never knew I was gonna be when I grew up, but here I am, you know, loving every bit of it.